Bourbon and Rye Guy here. A shout out to my buddy Bill. Was able to score this for me. Poured him a sample out of it and figured what the hell, if it's open I might as well do a little quick review. Man, this is a total peanut bomb on the nose. I mean straight up peanuts. Roasted peanuts, I don't know. That's good. Good mouthfeel. Good finish. Good proof. I know a lot of people say they'd like to see this at a little bit more than 100 proof, but I think that's a pretty darn good flavor. Not as much peanut on the palate as it is on the nose. That nose is just straight peanut. Excellent pour. Excellent pour. Was a little worried it might have been too oaky. 18 years. I love the 12, but that's not over oaked. It's not, you know, it's not too much of anything. It's a pretty good balance there. I'd say that's a good bourbon, a damn good bourbon. Like I said, shout out to Bill for getting this for me. This is the 30th anniversary. So, cheers, everyone.